Do you want to see an extremely awesome and in-depth ClickFunnels tutorial for affiliate marketing? Hey guys, my name is Michael Granados from Viral Home Based Pursuit, and in this video, I'm going to go ahead and help you understand how you can use that landing page ClickFunnels software for your affiliate marketing efforts. Okay, stick with me. If this is the first time you've been seeing me, I come out with videos like this, reviews. I help you understand how to earn online and how to do this legitimately and ethically. I've also started, before I started doing any of this, I grew a health and wellness business in the lower back pain space. So I spent a lot of time in there with like Amazon niche marketing, doing websites like that, and then later expanded, into different areas when I was able to. So, I'm going to have information down below in the description. If you really love affiliate marketing, if you want to get into affiliate marketing, I have an A to Z course that will give you everything that you need. It's really in depth. I even go so much in depth, I even show you my own sites, which is something that I was going to draw back on giving away for free, but you'll be able to see all that. So make sure it's open. Sometimes I close it because I want to focus on the people who really need that help and are serious about taking action, not just consuming, but making sure that they take the right action. Okay, so right now we're kind of in my what is the ClickFunnels affiliate program blog post that I created. So I'm going to go ahead and move me here. And then I'll move this down here. And so we're on the page right now that you're looking at. So I'm going to start here, and then I'm going to move into the actual ClickFunnels funnels, and I'll show you how to actually build one for affiliate marketing. And whether it is to promote the ClickFunnels, if you're here to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program, which is awesome because it gives you 40% recurring income. Some of the rules have been changing lately. So, if you've already been a member of them for quite some time, and if you made over $100, and so, you can stick with the 40% commissions, and, they're changing it to become like 30% commissions and so forth. And they're doing this kind of stuff because they want to filter people who are serious about becoming an affiliate of ClickFunnels. If you want to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate, they want to be able to make sure that they have the people that are serious about this, not people that are just dabbling, they just joined and are just there just to be there. So if you're going to take it serious and you want to be a part of one of the best affiliate programs, the best affiliate program, to be honest, and actually promote ClickFunnels, then, go ahead and do that. And then you can also use ClickFunnels landing pages for anything else, like ClickBank or anything else that you have related, and I go over that stuff too. So here I just kind of go through the information, what it's about, what to expect, why I wanted to join it, what makes ClickFunnels different than everything else, what other programs, how I went from an Amazon niche website to ClickFunnels and how to use ClickFunnels with my Amazon niche site. And so forth. I don't want to spend a lot of time on here. This will be linked underneath so you can check it out. But I kind of go through how to build a funnel, and I'm going to go through that here in a moment. And then their high ticket affiliate program, really like 40% commissions and so forth. You get the free 14-day trial to begin with. They do ask for credit card. I know you're probably like, credit card? Well, you can cancel it at any time. And this is, not a bad thing because they gave you a 14-day free trial, and it's a big software. Nothing else comes close to it, so it's understandable. And again, if you want to promote ClickFunnels, if you don't have your own product, yeah, you can do that. And I actually have a cheat sheet. It's about over 80 pages now. And that will go even more in depth into the tutorial because I can only give you so much here and so much time that we have. But this is something that I created all myself, all my words put into an over 80 page, about 80 pages now. And it's like about 8 days what you should be doing every single day, step by step, and end of day tasks, what you should be doing after that. And I just gave you everything. My funnels are in there, templates, which I'll be showing you in a little bit here, but all that information is in there. It is going to be really helpful to you, not only for ClickFunnels, but anything else that you go out there and do. And then I kind of just go over how you can, with some of these different funnels that ClickFunnels has for you, it can upsell your audience on different things so you can make more commissions. They do that for you, and so on. And I give you the best way that you should begin. Like I have my viral affiliate box in here and how you can get started with that, and then the boot camp, and then in other ways you can move forward. But let's go ahead and get into ClickFunnels and show you the actual tutorial on how to create a simple opt-in to bridge page funnel. So let me see, these are all where all my funnels are at. And then I even have some that are archived. So we'll choose the affiliate bootcamp bridge page funnel. And this is what you'll get if you want to join with me. I'll say that I do make a small commission if you do come aboard, but you're going to get so many resources and so many bonuses that it is awesome. I offer so much stuff for free that I pay for myself that you can go ahead and have, and it'll accelerate your progress, especially that cheat sheet. When you join, you get that. It tells you how you should be doing things. And then I actually do more tutorial videos on how to use these funnels. So if you ever have a question, there's videos with them. And if you ever have a question, you can always shoot me a comment here and I'll help you out. So this is something simple here. Let's go to the right side. There's two different ones. You can do split testing, which is amazing, what I like doing with ClickFunnels. And when you're an affiliate, it's always good to split test. You want to optimize which landing page is working out best for you. So you see how it's simple? It's not too much. It's just very simple, straightforward. And it's not like a website where you have so many tabs open or so many different options that if somebody lands on your homepage or anywhere else, they're like, I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. Even when they read a post, sometimes it's like you only have 7 seconds to attract their attention. And the time that people read, people are turning to video, but blogs still work well. And for me, I was able to use ClickFunnels now in conjunction with my own blog, as you saw, and with my health and wellness one, and combine that and make it even more of a power horse. So here I have a headline, and then here I have what they're going to be getting, what they're going to be seeing, and then what, more of what they're going to expect to get. My free super affiliate guide and checklist. And if I wanted to create something very fast, I can go to add an element. Right, you have headlines here, subheadlines, paragraphs, stuff that I'm going to help you out with too if this is your very first time. But I want to look for inputs. So if I just put that input right here, I can drag it if I wanted to easily. Or what I can do is I can press this little add new element button. You just hover over it and then go to inputs here. And this is going to be your opt-in form. So if I clicked here, this is where somebody can enter their email address. But I'm going to go ahead and press the clone button because I also want to collect a name. So see how fast that is? And then I can click here once. This opens up and I can set this to first name. And then I'll want to do the same. It's already set the way I wanted it to. And then it's just a matter of connecting your own autoresponder, which is something you're going to get because that's very important when you're using ClickFunnels. You want to use a back-end email provider. I use Aweber, but there's so many of them. And if you just wanted to use ClickFunnels itself, the Actionetics plans, those come with the autoresponders already built into them, so you don't need a third-party server. But that stuff I can help you out with if you have questions on. But I'll go up here, integrations, select my list that I have it, and integrate existing form, and select the list to add, and then that would connect my autoresponder to it. And it's that simple. And then, this button here, they can click here, and I can set an action. You want it to submit order, so it goes to the next page, and you can collect that email. That's what you want it on. I had it on open the pop-up, and that's because this wasn't here before. And it's doing exactly what I asked it to. So it's going to open up this pop-up, and there's more information in there, boom, boom. And then they can put their information right here, right? Whether it's just name and email or email, they can put their information in there. And then get taken over to the next part of the process. See how simple that is? And then we're going to take them from the opt-in page over to the bridge page, which is where you're going to like pre-frame somebody. It's very important to pre-frame people when you're doing anything online. It's not only with ClickFunnels, anything affiliate related. You got to pre-frame. You got to know if your audience is a cold audience, warm, hot audience. Who is it that you're dealing with? What is it that they're looking for? And everything that's relevant. Relevance is always what makes a difference. And so here's my thank you page. It's all set up. And then we'll go into here. And so this is the boot camp. If you don't know so much about the boot camp, it's basically where you have super affiliates who will teach you. They'll walk you through what they were doing, how to do it, how to get it done, how they became super affiliates, not only with the ClickFunnels affiliate program, but how they were able to do that with anything else, super affiliates. And then here what I have is like a nice hook. The story is going to be the video of me telling them, hey, congratulations, thanks for going ahead and opting in. Your free guide is on its way to your email inbox. But wait, to have some more information for you. Underneath here is where you can actually get started and get access for free. Or it might be like a free plus shipping order. It might be a book. And you can get it going. And then they click here. And they get taken to the actual sales page. So to make this faster, and imagine they click that go to next step. No need to save it because I didn't need to change anything. This is where they'll be taken to. And then they can sign up for free. You know, Russell will talk to them there, and then they can go ahead and sign up for free on this certain action sales page. Because the affiliate bootcamp is for free if you want to join, and I'll have more information on that below. It's also in my article, my blog post that I was showing you earlier. But it's pretty simple, right? It's pretty straightforward. You know, this is more of a quick tutorial on how to use ClickFunnels for affiliate marketing and how to use their landing pages that are very highly conversion optimized. That's what I love about it. And you don't really have to change much. Just change the hook, your story, have your offer in place. And, you know, with my funnels, those are done for you. So if you want to use them for the ClickFunnels affiliate program or for any other reasons, you can go ahead and get access to that. You know, I have my other offers in here as well, my other opportunities that I'm a part of. And so forth. So there are so many other ways you can create these kind of funnels. And if I want to add new here, I can go to the cookbook builder process or the classic funnel builder and select, let me actually show you that. I can go here and then I can select step by step by what industry I'm a part of. So let's do e-commerce, for example. I want to generate leads and see how this populates. And then I just want to contact their information, get their information. So you have squeeze pages, reverse squeeze pages, bridge page funnels, and lead magnets. So if I clicked on one of these, we get Russell here, who's going to give you a short 1 minute or so video. It's very fast. He's going to tell you how this funnel works. And on the right side here, you have the directions where you're going to read and see how to use this funnel. And then underneath here, you can select the template, and it'll be uploaded to your ClickFunnels account. And like you saw earlier, that those funnels were in my account, and they showed up there. But the main point of this tutorial is when you're on the opt-in page, you want to collect that email because you want to follow up with people through email automation on the back end. Because that's where most, you know, where the money's made, it's in the list. And once you have that email, that person in exchange has a freebie of a high value, right? Something that they wanted. So then the next page, you know, you give them a little video. It's about me again, talking to them what to expect. Hey, they wanted this, so they might want this too. And then there are a bunch of other ways to do this. This is just one of many. You know, I'm going to be able to help you out with this if you decide you want to join with me. You know, I already have everything done here for you. if you so wish to, promote ClickFunnels or anything else related, because I do other ones as well. And let me just kind of show you that cheat sheet that I was talking about really quickly, just so you know I'm not exaggerating. I actually spent months and months and months on this. We'll wait here while it loads a bit. And so here it is. I am known to update it at times, but it's all there. Look how long that is. 20 to 80 pages. Okay, so we are at 80 now. And let me just show you, kind of the 8 days to expect here, setting up your account, finding your audience, how to find people like this if you're trying to advertise, personalizing your own pages, how to do that with what I give you already. That's done for you. If you want, I always suggest you make it your own. What are solo ads, how to use them, how to run ads, a website, and the content marketing strategy. So I really go through all of this in great detail. This is going to give you more of the whole tutorial view of ClickFunnels for affiliate marketing, that is. And if you need actual ClickFunnels tutorials on how to set up your account and all that, it's very easy. I actually have a course for that I'll give you. All you have to do is watch the videos and you get it done. I even show you here myself. So really, I kind of go through all this, and I gave you the funnels. Here are the share funnels. And you're going to tackle this day by day. You're going to go through it and be consistent, because people who not only do ClickFunnels affiliate marketing, but do anything affiliate marketing related, you got to be consistent. Don't just consume knowledge, take action. And just because it didn't work one day doesn't mean it's never going to work. All right, that's all I wanted to share with you. Hopefully, you got what you came here for in a way. Maybe you didn't get everything involved, but I can't cover everything. You would be here for hours. I'd be here for hours giving you a ClickFunnels tutorial for affiliate marketing. That was a little bit more in depth, but there's still much more. And check below in the description. You're also going to get those free courses, my free affiliate marketing, and also my ClickFunnels, as well as if you decide to join on board with me, just the trial, you're going to be able to get all this information and not even buying it. So look through it, take the time. You need to think about it. Go ahead. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, leave me one down below in the comment section. And I will talk to you soon. All right. Thanks.